In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon in GoDaddy website builder Favicon. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts. It helps your site look polished and easy to recognize, so let's set it up together from start to finish. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press enter. Click the official GoDaddy website to open it, then log into your account. You won't need to enter anything here on screen, just sign in securely as you normally do. Once you're signed in, look to the top right and click your username. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're opening the correct one by its title or domain. Inside the site editor, go to the top right and click Settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Favicon option and select it. This is where you'll upload the small icon that represents your brand. Click Upload. Your computer's file picker will appear. Choose the picture you want to use as your favicon. For the best results, use a simple, square image with a transparent background if possible. A PNG at 512 by 512 pixels works great and keeps edges crisp when browsers resize it. Avoid intricate details or long text. Remember, this icon will be very small in most places. High contrast colors and a clean silhouette help it stand out. After you select the image, you'll see a preview. If everything looks good, click Done. GoDaddy will save your selection and apply it to your site. Keep in mind, browsers cache favicons, so it might take a few minutes to show up everywhere. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing your page, opening a new tab, or visiting your site in a private window. You can also check on mobile to confirm it appears in tabs and saved shortcuts. A few quick tips while you're here. Stick with common formats like PNG or ICO. Make sure the image is truly square to avoid awkward cropping, and choose an icon that still looks recognizable at 16 by 16 pixels. If your logo is complex, consider a simplified mark or just your initial in your brand colors. That's it. You opened GoDaddy, signed in, navigated to your site, went to Settings, chose Favicon, uploaded your image, and clicked Done. Your site now has a professional, memorable touch. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded branding.